Alright YouTube, back at it again. 3.7 liter V6 Jeep Grand Cherokee. My oil sensor light came on. The level was fine. So you take your oil sensor socket or a 27 millimeter, but this socket is a 27 millimeter deep socket. You take off this cable that connects the sensor. Yes, I'm working on this at night because, well, I'm working night shift right now and I can only work on it at night on my day off. So this one wire cable has a tab at the bottom. You slide it forward and then you pull it off. Push this down and then it pops off. And if I'm being honest, I think my tab broke off. Nonetheless, that's the sensor. It's a one wire. If you have a V8, it's going to be a 3-prong, 3-wire. So, I'm not sure if I can highlight this, but ding, right there is your oil sensor. So I'm going to take my socket. Don't force this. Just go in there with your socket. Find when it pops in, start twisting. Of course I already broke this, so it's broken loose, so it's easy to pop out. I'm going to see if I can get this out without dropping it. Here's the old one. Bada bing. Fits perfectly into the oil socket. Or like I said, a 27 millimeter deep socket. So we got it out. This is the old one. One wire. And the light was going off as well as a leak. So I'm hoping that I killed two birds with one stone. I believe it was leaking from this. Because look at all this oil around here. It's supposed to be dry. I went to O'Reilly's. I'm living in North Carolina right now. When I was living in New York, I did not have these around. But this is a oil sensor. Cost me 13 bucks. So not gonna set me back too far. I did remove the oil filter before I did this job to make it a little bit easier to get to, but did you absolutely have to? I don't even know, because I didn't try. I read online you should take the oil filter off. So I just went ahead and did it. So I'm gonna put this on. Hopefully this gets rid of my oil sensor light. There's no real special tools. Socket, extension, ratchet, new part, and put it on. And you should be good to go. Don't know why, but it's oil sensor. This vehicle has 135,000 miles on it, roughly. Anyways, if you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, as always, and happy surfing.